popcorn, you will need popcorn, half cup measuring, 3 tablespoons, your flavoring, whichever you want, vegetable oil, butter, pan and lid with hole in it to let smoke out. To begin with, take 3 tablespoons of oil and pour it in bowl and pan. Three tablespoons butter, cut, put in bowl. Once that is done, put the thing on around 3, or whatever your equivalent is. Wait for butter to melt. Once butter has melted, take your half cup of popping corn and pour it in. Be sure to cover every bit of it with the butter. Put lid on. Wait. Enjoy.